In the vast and competitive landscape of YouTube, gaining more views requires a strategic approach that goes beyond merely uploading videos. By implementing proven strategies, content creators can enhance their visibility, engage their audience, and ultimately boost their view count. 1. Crafting compelling titles and descriptions. The journey to more views begins with attention-grabbing titles enriched with relevant keywords. Detailed video descriptions not only provide context but also contribute to improved search rankings. 2. Captivating thumbnails. Visual appeal matters. Thumbnails should be enticing, accurately reflecting the content and compelling viewers to click. A striking thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates. 3. Stick to a regular upload schedule. Building anticipation is crucial. Establish a consistent uploading schedule, creating a routine for your audience. This not only keeps your subscribers engaged but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active. 4. Collaborate for cross-promotion. Team up with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations provide an opportunity to tap into each other's audience, broadening your reach and potentially gaining new subscribers. By implementing these proven strategies, content creators can pave the way to increased views, a growing audience, and sustained success on the platform.